it's Hazel. In today's video, I'm unboxing a giveaway horse that I won from May. I'm just going to put her username on the screen because I completely forgot all the numbers. I'm just going to call her May.
I'm gonna show you loco, maniac, sick kid, psychopath. Yeah, I'm gonna show you, yeah, I'm gonna show you.
Anyway, in May's Christmas contest, I won second place with my short film, and I got Aurelius. I think that's how you say it. Hopefully that's how you say it. But he's here, and he arrived last night. I'm so excited. I don't have anybody on this mold, and he's gorgeous. And I don't have a stand, so we're just using my knee. Also, guys, so I've been emailing her. Like, we've been emailing each other about the giveaway and stuff. She's super nice, and she does model horse films. Like, I think when she was younger. I don't know much about her. But she has an amazing collection, and she's just super, super nice and super cooperative. Also, this is the first ever giveaway I've won. I'm so happy! Also, I totally reorganized my room, and I got this whole new shelf right here. It goes all the way to the floor and it has all my vintages in it. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have some bubbles. There's... Oh, she wrapped it like a Christmas present! Wait, this is adorable. Is there an opening to this bubble wrap? Because I'd rather not rip it. This is hard to stand still because I'm like balancing on one leg because I'm trying to use my knee as like a table. I really should have thought about this. I'm obviously super good at YouTube. Okay, I got a note. There's a note. Oh, it's May 51963. To Hazel Horse. Oh, I dropped it. Like I said, she's super nice, and she put a note in here. She's just so awesome, and she's like one of the OG model horse YouTubers, so definitely go follow her. I feel like it's Christmas again, and I literally just had my birthday too. Oh my gosh! He comes in. Wait. You know what? Forget it. He comes in a box. I did not know she was giving me the box. Wow, that's a strange shaped box. I've never seen a box shaped like that. I'm so confused. How do you open this box? Briar, explain. Wait, is it supposed to be open like this? What? How? Ah, I ripped it! No, I didn't mean to rip it. I ripped it again. Oh, okay. So it's like that. Well, that would have been so much easier. Here he is. Here's his background. Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. What? It's a leg. I'm like having a panic attack. I'm gonna open his face last. And touch him. It's okay. Oh my gosh. Wait. His little ear things. That face! Oh my gosh! Okay, he's a lot smaller than I thought. That's like one of my first impressions. He's not as glossy. No, he's pretty glossy actually. I guess the only flaw is the overspray on the mane. I'm so scared I'm gonna like break him. There's some overspray on the mane right here, but besides that, he's like pretty good. And then like the couple of marks that were made when he lived with me. But like, I really don't care about that. Oh my gosh, we're gonna go take a photo shoot with him. Okay, I'm gonna insert some photos because we're doing a photo shoot right now. Let's grab my camera. Okay, so I'm gonna do a photo shoot. I'll insert some photos right here.